Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to access age restricted on Discord using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app and log in your account. And now, I want you to click on the settings button at the lower left side of your screen and click on privacy and safety. Now, once you are here, you want to allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. So after joining on desktop, view your servers for people 18 and above on iOS devices. So you want to turn that on, and also you can allow access to age restricted commands from apps in direct messages. These settings apply to all bots and apps. Allows people 18 and above to access commands marked as age restricted in DMs. Okay, so that is how you do it. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.